Commander Morning, MK Labour Desk. Namhlanje siza nekhwezi bus services yase Mbangeni, uLundu, Vryheid nje KwaZulu Natal. Sikuzokhuluma ngabaxhaphazi bokuqala nokugcina. Abaxhaphazi abasebenzi. Labasebenzi bathutha ingane zesikole, labasebenzi bathutha umphakathi, labasebenzi bahamba ama long trip, labasebenzi bathatha impesheni, kodwa labasebenzi abakhokhelwa imali. Asiqale lapho ke. Kuthini ungakhokhelwa kwabo imali? Khona amandiya awu-3 okuyiwona athatha inkampani from uSithole bus service wasoLundi halala Mondise ngoba bathi abasebenzi wawubakhokhela u-15,000 rand. Kushuthi wena wawukhokha according to the minimum wage of the drivers code 14. Siyabonga Mondise. Now ke amandiya came India uSola bese kuba ubani uMamudi bese kuba uAbo, amandiya womathathu. Ungezwe igama unicabanga ukuthi umuntu omnyama, cha, amandiya azoxhaphaza abantu. Sifuna ukusho lokho ngoba asiqinisekise ukuthi i-exploitation iqalaphi ke i-exploitation yabantu iqale emayini la besebenza khona into yamabhasi ukuthutha abasebenzi lapha nalapha nalapha. So now uSithole ushiya abantu bekhokhelwa 15,000 rand. Now makufika uSola and his cabal uzobaholela abantu bani u9,000 rand. Uma abantu bethi bayakhala baya-apply bayakhala kuyo ukuthi hayi you can't pay us so much. Wenze njani? Waphindwa wabehlisela ngokhala nje, wabehlisela wathi 7,000 rand. Asazi ke noma baya ku5,000 rand, asazi ukuthi bayaphi njengamanje. But we are saying uwena Sola, please don't exploit our people. Don't exploit our people. Pay the people according to the rate hour of the code 14 driver. Because if you do that, we are going to go out and inform the communities that they must not use your bus. And we will go out and talk to the taxi industry and say they must stop your bus. We will go and mobilize even the children that you are taking to school. We will mobilize people to say even the government who are paying you for taking the children to school. We are going to tell the government that they must stop giving you a service because you are an exploiter. So now it's time for you, because we wrote a letter to you and you choose to ignore it because you know exactly what is your intention about the black person, a driver, a person who's supposed to bring a food on the table, and your children are eating bacon and eggs, but our children, the driver children, are not eating that because there's a lot of expenses. And why you can't look at yourself as a parent who provide at your home and check those also who provide in their homes, that they must also have money to provide. People are going for December. There is no bonus in this company. And these buses, if you are not doing correct to the people, we will make sure that even your children are not putting anything on the table, because we will stop the bus to take the communities. So that's how power we are. Please pay people rights. 15,000. In fact, it's supposed to be more than 15,000 by now. But instead, you take them to 7,000. Not even a half of what they've earned to Sithole. So please, we don't want any people who's going to exploit the black people. Mandla.